Zambia commissioned the China-built Kafue Gorge Lower Hydropower Station on Friday following the switching on of its fifth generator. The power plant was constructed by China's hydropower engineering and construction company Sinohydro and funded by the Export-Import Bank of China. The commissioning of the plant adds an additional 750 megawatts of power to the national grid.
We checklisted a number of things that we were going to do and do them better. And this is one of them. And on behalf of the people of Zambia, I'm very proud of the Chinese flexibility, that we can do things better.
Thanks to the Sinohydro and the builders for their marvelous work. It is your joint efforts to build up another monument, which marks the all-weather, all-dimension, high-quality cooperation between China and Zambia.
Kafue Gorge Lower Hydro Power Station now brings Zambia's total electricity generating capacity to 3,643.8 megawatts.